In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Base44 website to Google Sites. Now, whether you're transitioning your content for new hosting or looking to integrate with Google's platform, I'll guide you through the process step by step to make this task as easy as possible. Let's begin by opening your project in Base44. Navigate over to the Settings menu. Specifically, you'll want to look into App Settings or a similarly designed area of your project dashboard. This is where you can manage the significant settings for your application, and it's the starting point for exporting your site. Next, we need to locate the export option. It might be labeled as See All Files or Export Project. As confirmed by Base44's documentation, you have the flexibility to export your entire application at any given time. By clicking on See All Files, you'll be offered the choice to export your site's files either into a zip file or directly onto GitHub if you're looking for version control. For simplicity and broad compatibility, we'll proceed with exporting to a zip file, meaning we'll download a nice, neat package of all your site's components. Once you've completed the export and the download has finished, unzip the package. This will reveal your source files including HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and any other assets. You might also find a backend folder, which will depend on how your application was initially set up. From here, you have two primary hosting options. The first is to use general web hosting. You can choose a hosting provider like Netlify, Vercel, GitHub Pages, or any standard web host. Upload your unzipped files to the hosting route. Make sure to adhere to any specific deployment instructions the platform might have. If your project involves backend code, select a hosting service capable of supporting it, such as those compatible with Node.js or offering cloud functions. Finally, set up your domain and SSL to ensure your site is secure and accessible. Alternatively, if you're focusing on a simple static display, you might prefer to use Google Sites. Start by creating a new site within Google Sites. For your static assets like images, CSS, and JavaScript files, upload them to Google Drive or another easily accessible location. In Google Sites, embed your HTML and JS either using the embed URL or code snippet feature, or, if available, the file upload option. It's important to note though, Google Sites may restrict the execution of custom JavaScript. This is primarily for security purposes. Remember to test your site thoroughly once uploaded to ensure everything functions as expected within the Google Sites environment. You might need to adjust or simplify some functionalities to ensure seamless operation. And there you have it! You've successfully exported your Base44 website to Google Sites or a hosting provider of your choice. Keep exploring your new platform and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy hosting!